Hi everyone! Welcome back to Immersive Fun English. Today I'm going to show you what's in my bag. These kinds of videos are really popular these days, but we want to turn this one into a learning video. For each object, we'll talk about why I use it, and together we'll make simple real-life sentences you can use every day. So while you're watching, I want you to think about one question. Why do you use this subject? By the end of this video, you'll be able to talk about your own bag with confidence. These are my AirPods. I usually use them when I'm walking or waiting somewhere. Sometimes I listen to music and sometimes I listen to English podcasts. It helps me relax and also practice my English at the same time. This is gum. I usually chew gum after eating, especially when I'm outside. It makes my mouth feel fresh and I feel more comfortable talking to people. I always keep some chocolates and candies in my bag. Sometimes I feel low energy and they really help. This is a mouth spray. I use it when I'm going to talk to someone or meet people. It gives me confidence, especially when I'm not at home. This is my hand cream. My hands get very dry, especially in cold weather. I use this during the day to keep my hands soft. These are my lip products, lip balm and lip gloss. Sometimes my lips feel dry or I just want to look a bit more fresh. I use them quickly, even when I'm outside. This is my card holder. I keep all my important cards here. This way I don't have to search in my bag every time. This is my charger. When my phone battery gets low, this saves me. I never leave home without it. My perfume. I like to smell nice all the day, so I always carry it with me. Do you use a mirror a lot? I use it to quickly check my face and my makeup, especially when I'm not at home and don't have a mirror around. Tissues and wet wipes. When I go to a public place, sometimes there is no water or soap. In these moments, tissues are very useful. And when my hands get dirty and I can't wash them, I use my wet wipes. They are super helpful when I'm outside for a long time. Keys and car key. These are my keys. They are very important and I always check to make sure I have them before leaving home. And this is my car key. I use it a lot during the day when I'm moving around. You know what is this, right? Why do you use sunglasses? Obviously, sunglasses protect my eyes and help me feel comfortable in bright light. But sometimes I use it when I'm crying and I wanna hide my face. It's actually a really good trick and you should try it sometimes. Now you tell me guys, why do you use sunglasses? Let me know down below in the comments. The last object in my bag is really important to me. It's a small bag that I keep inside my main bag. Whenever I change bags, I just grab this little one and put everything into the new bag. Now let's take a look inside. Pills for headaches or pain. Alcohol pads for cleaning small areas. A mask for crowded places. Daily pads for comfort and hygiene. A small toothbrush and toothpaste for fresh breaths. A bandage for a small cut. Dental floss for cleaning between my teeth. And a razor just in case. So that's everything in my bag. I wonder, what do you carry in yours? Which one is more important for you? Sunglasses, keys, or tissues? Let me know down below in the comments. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching with me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.